So you know how like you've got this whole setup of a thistle funnel and an Erlenmeyer flask and a sodium thiosulfate scrubbing solution bath for NO2 that's going to be produced when you dissolve something. And then you remember that nitric acid basically creates a passivation layer for stainless steel so that it doesn't really react as excitingly and violently and at all as you had expected. Been running through this series of dissolving razor blades and eggs in different acids, and was all excited to use my sodium thiosulfate. It's a 1 molar scrubber solution for a bath for that, and saved these razor blades to use, and then nothing. And then ChatGPT reminded me that this reaction could take forever because nitric acid tends to passivate that outer layer of chromium oxide. So we've got those 2 razor blades in there. I got like 15 or 20 minutes of useless footage of razor blades not doing anything in various molarities and temperatures of nitric acid. But I also have, if I can pick it up now, a copper coin. So let's toss that in there and see what it does, shall we? Fail. That's doing something pretty quickly, isn't it? That's toxic nitrogen dioxide gas, and that is it being neutralized. Ooh, buddy. Can you hear that rattling sound it's making? And then suddenly how yellow this is getting. And it's speeding up, so I might have to dilute that a little bit. So as you can see, I'm neutralizing this now because I'm sort of tired of sure. Yikes, how that's going to go and how bad it's going to get. So, yeah. So I'm pretty sure what we're getting in solution on the left in the beaker, in the flask, is copper stuff. And then on the right, as that CO2 has pushed gas out, it actually released some NO2, which I'm not thrilled about. So let me shut all this down and clean it up. So here's the aftermath. This weighs, that doesn't film very well, does it? 0.7 grams after nitric acid. It's almost bendable. I stopped it short because I was worried maybe I didn't have enough sodium thiosulfate for the bath for it, but it's very thin and very clean. Here's an original 3.7 grams. So we lost 3 grams of metal. Mostly carbon, obviously. Not carbon, copper, in the process. And so there's your before and after.